Hey y'all, welcome to Homesteading with Ken. I'm Ken. Today I'm going to show you how to save pepper seeds. Okay, and it's very simple, very easy, and you can do it. Alright, first things we gotta have a pair of gloves. Anytime, I mean, you can get any kind of gloves, but anytime you do peppers, especially hot peppers, always wear gloves because everywhere you touch on your skin will burn. Remember, the seeds in a hot pepper is the hottest part of the pepper. So we put our gloves on. First step, I'm just doing this to you don't have to do it with bell pepper because they're not spicy. Okay, I got one that I had in the refrigerator. We're gonna look at the seeds, see if they're still any good. May have to take my gloves off to get it out. Yeah. Alright. Alright. This is your seed. Okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to take a little bowl, a little small, any kind of bowl. And we just, can you see that? You rake your finger across there. Like that, and just get them out. And you're going to overplant these next year. That way, you're sure to have plants. It's better to overplant than to underplant for the size of your family. Okay? And always make sure your peppers come from your area, meaning your state. You can get them from a local grocery store, a farmer's market, or find a farmer and buy some peppers from him. Because then you know that it's we don't need that anymore. You know that it's local raised. Okay, if you buy it from like Walmart, it ain't gonna work due to the fact they not from your local area and they have to truck it all across the United States. They're probably coming in from Mexico or another country. Do not attempt to grow anything, get any seeds from anything from another country because they spray chemicals on it to preserve it. Look at all the seed on that. You see it? I about threw that away. I didn't see it. But anyway, that when they spray the chemicals on it, it just kills the seeds. And like I say, they're not from America, so they're not gonna grow. And they do that, to preserve it. And if you look behind here, behind this thing, watch it. I want to show you how many seeds I got out of that right there. Look at that. Y'all, there's a lot of seeds in these peppers. So you get about 4 of them from a local farmer, and you have more than enough to provide for your family. So, and it's not good to be eating chemical anyway, because they spray it and it's on the skin. It's all over this part right here. And that's the part we eat, y'all. I mean, is that what you want to put in your body? That's up to you. But as you know, for me, I'm not gonna buy anything from Mexico. I don't care what it is or another country. I will not buy it because I know what they're doing to it, and I know that it can cause serious health problems later on. But see, look, out of that one pepper, can you see that? All them seeds? Okay? So, now, let's say you hadn't cut one yet. Okay. I'm going to put that in a bowl because I'm going to eat that. You take it in the top like that. And you're going to cut around this part. Don't go in sideways because that's where your seeds are. Or try not to. It's kind of hard. I got a dull knife. Yeah, that's rotten. These are some old ones. But anyway, we'll throw them away. But that's how you do it. And you know, guys, I mean, it's real easy to save these seeds. All we're going to do now, if the wind don't blow my stuff away, all we're going to do right now is let the seeds dry. And to do that, you just spread them out in the bowl and sit them on your kitchen table or something. Sit them there for 24 hours at least, minimum. And then just walk by after 24 hours, or you can do it all during the day. You know, every time you walk by, just kind of stir them up, you know, flip them over so that they'll get good and dry. Okay? And I'm going to let these sit for 24 hours. Then I'm going to come back and show you how to store these so we can plant them. Hey guys, that's how you save your pepper seeds for next year, or in my case, this year. If you got any value out of this video, please hit the like, share, and subscribe button. That just helps the video get out to like-minded people. And thank you, and we will catch you on the flip side, and keep watching for new videos.